I am director here of division, which is working on immunovirology. Our main purpose is to understand the mechanisms of virus transmission and how we can blockade for developing new preventive strategies, including microbicides and vaccines. Here we are using mainly animal models for assessing these approaches, and which is unique here is to access to non-human primates as model for human virus infections. CEA is the Atomic Energy Commission, so the main focus is working on energy and on weapons too. However, there is a large part dedicated to biology, which is mainly dedicated also to biotechnologies, working on imaging, for instance, developing new tools for drug delivery, and also working on omics approaches and their bioinformatic tools. The role of CEA Motif is to contribute to the preclinical evaluation of the new compounds used as microbicides, and we are testing the combinations provided by the partners in non-human primates. We can use as model then for testing the compounds for pharmacology and efficacy. So a microbicide, it's a compound or combination of compounds we can apply locally at the exposure site for the HIV, so that preventing the transmission by blocking the virus just at the port of entry. So interaction of CEA and the other partners, we are dedicated to the preclinical evaluation of the compounds the other partners provide. So the other partners are testing the drugs in vitro, they are providing the combination of the drugs, and we are taking the whole package to assess this in the animal models. One of the main challenges today is to prevent transmissions. And we don't have so far a strategy with a sufficient efficacy we can provide to the community to limit the transmission between individuals. And the second challenge is to cure the individuals. So the major scientific advance we expect is to provide the proof for the concept for a new combination of antiretrovirals we can use at the microbicide, and then by the end of the program to be tested in the human beings. The main benefit for human being, if it works, is to have something which can efficiently prevent transmission of HIV. So the status at the moment, so we are almost at the beginning of the program. We already spent a year. We did some work on the primates for testing the pharmacokinetics of different compounds we are using for microbicides. These represent a large part of our activity in development of preventive strategies we are doing here at CEA. Scientifically, I think we have nice results indicating that several approaches we can use to formulate the microbicides are quite interesting for the human beings, particularly for the vaginal use of these microbicides. So the planning activities is to give more access to our models to the partners, so that new combinations, new formulations can be tested, and also the partners can benefit from the material we can obtain from the animals to do more in-depth characterization of the activity of the compounds.